Sometimes I feel this channel is turning into a bashing Teespring channel, but I promise you that is not what is happening. I have some really awesome content about print on demand, making money online, investing, Fiverr, all these different areas coming really soon. So definitely subscribe so that you can watch those videos. However, usually I don't bring out a video on a Friday, but I just had to bring out this video as soon as possible because yet again, Teespring have massively f***ed up. So as you know, I bring videos out on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday, but today it's Friday, so what's going on? Well, what's going on? I logged into Teespring, I went to go and do some research, some information, and I found they have finally partnered with AS Color, which is one of their new printing companies. So let's backtrack a bit. What have Teespring done wrong now? Well, if you remember, I made a video a while back where I told you about how Teespring was merging into Spring, and I was telling you a few of the things that they were doing to do that merge. One of them was getting rid of the marketplace. Another one was adding this whole stores with custom domains. And then another one was partnering with AS Color, which looks like a really high quality printing company, which I personally got really excited about because you don't find super high quality prints and super high quality designs and t-shirts in the print on demand world. I don't mean designs, I mean the quality of the garments. You don't find that so often, so I got quite excited by this. Now, in terms of who AS Color are, they are a UK based company, so I'm unsure how this will work in America, even though they are showing prices in dollars for AS Color. Now, I am aware one of the main factories for Teespring in America is in Kentucky, obviously not in England. So again, I'm unsure how this whole partnership will work when it comes to actually shipping out t-shirts and hoodies to America. Now, another point. Remember how in so many of my videos, I talk about the best thing about Teespring is how their prices are so competitive. A normal t-shirt price on Teespring is $10.57. That's for a base price t-shirt. Now on Redbubble, it's $16.58. Spreadshirt is $15.31, and there are plenty more print-on-demand companies that are overcharging you for a base price t-shirt. So I was really happy that Teespring, it's still not as cheap as Printful, but it's still workable. You're still able to have some profit margin without having to charge your customer a ridiculous price for a t-shirt, and that was quite a nice feeling. However, now with this new collaboration with AS Color, that incredible price that they had seems to have come to an end. Well, no, I rephrase that. They still offer the $10.57 shirt, but I don't know how long that's going to last. For all I know, they could phase that out to just be replaced by this new company. Now, this new company doesn't come with the prices we all hoped for. Are you ready? Wait for it. The price for a base t-shirt on Teespring, or Spring, with AS Color is $16.94. Basically $17, which is absolutely ludicrous. I mean, come on, you're gonna have to sell this t-shirt for what, $25, $26, $27 to make basic decent returns. And as well as that, because Teespring or Spring, gosh, I gotta get that name right, because Spring have now removed the marketplace, you have to send your own traffic. So besides charging you a fortune for the base price, you now, unless you have a large audience, will be paying for some sort of ads, Facebook ads, or some sort of traffic, maybe not ads, but some traffic in some shape or form, right? Which is going to decrease your profit margin even more. I feel like one of two things potentially have happened now. One, they're going to phase out the $10.57 t-shirt, which will be horrible for their company, and they'll just have this t-shirt, which is a super high quality $16 and I forgot the price now, but it was a lot, $16.90 something cents t-shirt. Right, that's the first thing I think could happen. Or what I think actually happened is Teespring were under a lot of bad press, so they wanted to rebrand to Spring. Now, in order to do a proper rebrand, they wanted to change a few things. So, getting rid of the marketplace, marketing to influencers, and one huge change was adding another printing partner. However, this printing partner they've added, I feel like they never actually expected anyone to use them because of this ludicrous price. I feel like they've just done it to add something to the repertoire of their weird rebranding. And now at this point in time, I really do wonder why anyone in their right mind would use Teespring. Or Spring, because especially when you have Printful out there where it's around $8 or a bit more than $8 for a base price t-shirt. And now Teespring, yes, at this point you can still do one for $10.57, but if that ever goes, you're going to be stuck with everything on Teespring without having built your business up on Shopify and Printful, and you might be stuck with a $16 and 94 cents t-shirt, which is going to drastically eat into your profit margin. So it baffles me why anyone would still go down that route when there are so many other routes you can go down and make so much more money. But before I fully bash it, I think it would be a good idea to actually test the quality to the other ones. So maybe, what do you think of me getting the $10.57 one, the $16.94 one, maybe a couple of Redbubble ones, some Amazon, some Printful ones, doing a whole video comparing the quality of all these different t-shirts, maybe hoodies, but I'll start with t-shirts, comparing them all just to see which one is the best and what they are actually worth. And maybe I can actually test them against some that I've ordered from Alibaba or some that I've ordered from another company where they're about $4 or $5. I can do a whole big test and see which one comes out on top. Should I do that? Should I order all of these different t-shirts and test it? You let me know in the comments and hopefully I can make that video. Thank you so much for watching. And, you know, we can always rely on Teespring for a YouTube video because they always just happen to amaze us with some ridiculous change or feature, which is, thank you Teespring. But I would like to get on with some proper tutorials, some proper help. I want to help you get more sales. I want to help you make more money online, whether it's print on demand, whether it's another side hustle. I want to help you do that. So that's what I'm going to aim to do moving forward. There might still be a few more Teespring videos. We'll see. I've actually got one really cool one planned, which isn't really a bashing one. But either way, hopefully that will be coming soon. So just thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.